everyone. Thank you for joining me. So, real quick, I just want to do a really quick haul video. I didn't get a whole bunch of stuff, but I wanted to share with you what I did get. This is from 49th and Market, created by the Dusty Attic, I believe it said. And these are laser cut pieces, but they feel like, chipboard. And it says that you can take it out using a craft knife. I'm just going to use my little snips here from Tim Holtz just to cut that one side out. And then if I wiggled it enough, you'll see this other piece just kind of, it comes right on out. And you can heat emboss, you can paint these. It's just like having chipboard pieces. But just to show you kind of like up against the card here, the size wise, because that was an A2 size card. So they've got nets and leaves and flowers. It's very much like a an ocean theme or scene that you can kind of create. So these are items that were in the clearance album on scrapbookingwithme.com. So I'll make sure to have a link down there below. This is a stencil that was on there, and I think it's like 199. But what I like about it is the individual, arrow and feather and stuff. Those are going to be fun to use on layouts. And then there was only one left of this one, so sorry. But I love chipboard pieces, especially flowers. Even on your just regular everyday cards, you can heat emboss these and just have a little pizzazz on your card front. So I like this one, but like I said, there was only one, so I won't link to this one specifically, but I'll link to the clearance album because you never know what you can find. And the item that sparked this whole little mini purchase was the Nuvo spoon, dual spoon. I'm not sure exactly. Craft spoon is what they call it. So you have the two different ends. I like to think of like the bigger scoop for like you can use it with your glitters. You can use either side, but if you want to do large amounts, then I would use the longer end. So I'm just gonna pull out a container of sequins from my storage box here and put that to the side, and then I'll show you real quick. I'm going to open this up, and I'm just going to use the smaller spoon, and you can see it's really easy to scoop out. You want to add it to a shaker card, you want to add stuff to a fun, as like confetti inside a card so that when the person opens, they go all over the place. You could do that. But I'm just showing you, it's really easy to use and you can pick stuff up quite well actually with these. And then sometimes it can be a little staticky, but I'm just going to grab some embossing powder real quick just to show you because I don't have any glitter on my desk, or else I would have used that. But right behind me, I kind of store some of my embossing powders, but you can use it to scoop up the embossing powder as well if you don't have the little teeny spoons like I have in this particular one. So it's very inexpensive. I like the way it feels. It's very light. And it's one of those things where I just had to have it. As soon as I saw it, I was like, we can use this for so many different applications. And why not? I mean, it's not like it was like $100 for this, you know what I mean? So I will make sure to have a link to this down below and to the clearance album. And I was really excited because Miss Edith sent me a few of these Nuvo creative pens, and I will be doing like a review on it and showing you guys how to use them on a future video. It probably won't be this Tuesday video, but I'll definitely be doing a video. It might be a extra one this week that just pops in, so make sure you keep an eye out, okay? And down in the links below, I will make sure to have the links, like I said, but also my coupon code is in there. So when you go to scrapbookingwithme.com and you go to purchase and check out at the coupon code, put TT15, okay? TT15. So thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you with our next video.